Hey, what's up guys, Iman here, Monster Gadgets, and as you can see, I've got my 21 Model 3 Performance behind me, and today we're going to be installing some mud flaps by a company called Lasfit. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, welcome back. So first, let me go ahead and show you what all comes in the box. All these mud flaps come individually packaged like this with a label on it that tells you exactly where they go. If I can get this in focus, there we go. So front or rear, passenger or driver, and it tells you exactly how to install them. They also come with these rivets. Basically, you go ahead and take off the ones that are already in it, holding kind of like the liner. You install the mud flaps and you replace them with this. So there's absolutely no drilling involved. Let's go ahead and install these and see what they look like. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and install the driver's side first. As you can see, I've already got the wheel turned a little bit just so that I have more space to work with. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the mud flaps. This is the front driver's seat. So I'm gonna take this out of the bag. Essentially, this is gonna go on just like this. So let me go ahead and first remove the part that is already installed on the Model 3 by the factory. Should be pretty simple to do, I assume. I might need to grab a that one came out okay, and that one came out okay too. So we've got both of those out. Let me go ahead and grab the new ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off two that we just took off. So here is one piece, two piece, and then the two screws that go inside. So first you want to insert these clips, and then you want to go ahead and push this in. It is a Phillips head, so if you can go ahead and install those. Again, no drilling required. So on here, let me see if I can show you guys this up close. If you can see on the inside of this, there is a little bit of a angled, I don't know what you call it, I guess attachment. So this will basically go on the edge of right here. It'll hold it, and then we'll go ahead and install those two screws. So that's what it should be like. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up right here, and I'm gonna push this in. It's gonna go against the body of the frame, or the side here of the frame. Try to get this in first, just like that. So that's clipped in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. One, two, and then screw those in. Let me get the screwdriver. Actually, I might not even need to screw them in. I think you just kind of push them in. Well, the back one went straight in. This one, however, it's not going in, so I'm actually gonna grab a bigger screwdriver. There we go. And that one's in there. Just like that. This one is on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rear one. The passenger one, obviously, is gonna be the same type of setup. So I'm not gonna show you exactly how to do that one, but let's go ahead and jump to the rear driver's seat and install that one. All right guys, so here we are on the rear driver's side, and the rear one is going to be a bit different. We've got one rivet that we have to get out from here, and then there's actually a screw right in here that we have to take off to put that on. So that requires a number 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And then we're gonna put this back on once we get it in. Thought it was loose enough, but it is not. It might be loose enough now. Oh God, make sure I got it the wrong way. So this one you want to keep handy. They do not give you, I don't think they give you one of these, so hold on to that. Let me go ahead and remove this clip. There's one on this side right here. So I'm just gonna take that one off. The back, obviously you don't have as much room because you can't rotate the tire. So this might be a little trickier. Same thing with this. We're gonna clip that in. Align this the best we can. Hopefully I'm not obstructing the view too much with my leg. Sorry, I'm just gotta get this in. Because it's gotta sit along this side here. Like that. You guys heard that click. Perfect. And then let me go ahead and put the screw back on the bottom here. Let me double check. I don't think they give you another screw. If they do, it's alright. This one will work because this is the one that I just took off. So let me hand tighten it first. So again, we're going to go ahead and put this in. Just like that. I think the GoPro view would probably be better. So there's the screw that's in there. As you can see, again, no drilling required. And that's what the rear one looks like. Let's go take a look at the front one. Alright, let me go ahead and install the other side and I'll show you guys what all four of them look like. Alright guys, here is the final product. So I've got both sides installed. This is obviously the driver's side. You guys can take a look and see how clean that actually looks. I'll give you a side view of it. Just like that. Let's take a look at the back one. And let's go take a look at the other side. Front. And here is the side view. Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And of course the product link is in the description as well if you want to go check that out. But I am all done with Monster here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.